What's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be just doing a quick how to upload a splash screen to your IC7 or UC10 dash. First we're going to open up Photoshop and then we're going to open up a new IC7 splash screen which is 800 by 400 pixels. Then you go ahead and design the background however you'd like. I'm just going to do a plain black and then add a gradient overlay. You can do that just by double clicking the layer, clicking on the gradient overlay checkbox, and then you can fool with whatever colors you'd like. So here I'm going to make it green and black because that matches my car and it's my favorite colors. Now I'm going to add a picture. So you just drag and drop it onto the file, hit done, and then I'm going to remove the background. You just do that by hitting the quick select tool and then delete. I'm going to make the opacity like 80% just so it looks a little bit cleaner. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a text layer. I'm going to change that to white and 80% opacity as well to match. Then we can fool with the font. And then you're just going to make sure that both are centered on that screen. Once you do this, you can go ahead and export it. And then we'll upload it into the NSP software. Now that we're in the NSP software, you go ahead and hit File New, and whatever size screen you picked, which is an IC7 for me. Then you go ahead and click on Splash Screen, hit Choose File, upload a file from PC, then you go to wherever you saved it, and then you hit Open, and then you hit Use the selected file, and now that is successfully uploaded as a splash screen. Now to add display screens to this splash screen, you go ahead and hit Import, make sure this file is saved, and then you go to whichever file you already have that you want to upload the display screen from. Now just keep in mind that whatever you import will always replace the screen that's already there. So if you wanted to import display screen 2, it would not override this. But if you're just doing the display screen 1, since we already had something in the 1 slot, it will replace it. So there you go. There's a quick little overview of how to import the display screens and how to create a splash screen for your IC7 dash. It's the same process for a UC10 dash. You just obviously have to change the dimensions in the Photoshop program. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe and we'll have more tutorials coming up soon.